This is the GoPro Hero 8. It can record in 1080p, 120 frames a second, wide view with hyper-stabilization for slow motion video. You want to see what that footage looks like? Let me show you.
Here we go.
Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Not bad for a 6-year-old GoPro. If you like this video, hit the like button, click the notification bell for future videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.